On the come up, better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an utter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's
Alex O, crypto. All right, we're doing a test run. How? I just got the whole like new camera set up. What do we think? Is it crispy enough? Oh yeah. I'm just testing this out. We're gonna look at some charts for you guys too. Can you really see my Rudolph? Is it looking? Let me know, is there lag? You guys gotta let me know if there's any like delay. I got a 1080p. I can shoot in 4K, but I mean, I think that's a bit too much. How about today, guys? What an amazing trade day. No delay, looks good. Okay. Yeah, damn, I'm going to have to wash my face in the morning. Look at this thing. Shit. I don't know if this was a good idea. A little bit of an upgrade. Okay, so the green screen's still a bit glowy. I can play with that. Let's go into the regular one. What's going on, Darren? All right. Oh, this looks so much better. I even got my Canadian Moose shirt on for you guys. Hey, bud. Here's my books. You see, I got books beside me. I haven't read any of those books. I gotta crop that thing. I could pull my green screen past that, but I don't need that much. I'm not that big of a flailer. Like I don't flail that far. That's enough flailing. Look at the. Oh man, I need to start working out. I used to have biceps. Then this happened, and you know the rest. I don't got to tell you what's going on. What are you guys looking at? Man, things are popping off. We are currently in a Shiba trade. Whew. Given in the Discord, this thing's firing off. My God, let's go Shiba. We're up 9%. Fire in the Discord. We're already up on the Shiba trade. Took some profit off of this thing. Of course, we're giving it. I said this is degenerate. There's a Shiba trade right now. I said this is direct. I'm in on Sheeb. Okay. This is degenerate as it comes. Oh man, the camera looks so much better. It's an actual camera. That's why. Who would have thought? Elgato face cam in the garbage. Now we just got to get that like super crispy mic, and then we're good to go. But I don't know. I think the mic sounds fine, so I'm not worried about upgrading that just yet. I'm in on Peanut too. Peanut, I think is Peanut down right now? Peanut is hovering. Okay. I seriously think Peanut can go to $5. I seriously look at the chat. You guys are 50 people in here for like a test stream. My God. No delay sounds good. Sounds great. Don't touch me nuts. Yeah. We're also in a dot trade as well. We're in a dot trade. Polka dot. We're all in the dot. They call T dot, Toronto T dot. So where I'm from, they call it T dot. Where is dot on my charts here? We're in this thing right now. This is pretty cool. We're in this right now. I think we're taking it about 565, right around here. We're in the dot thing too. But this is mainly to Tia's breaking out. Got a little Tia breakout, looking for the retest in Tia. My God, look, everything's going. And Cardano up 17% today. Shitcoin. Shit. Let's go Injective, baby, breaking out too. Injective breaking out too. It's what we want to see, baby. All reliant on the Bitcoin price action, obviously. What's Dominance doing? Okay. So we broke out of this regression trend we were talking about. That's pretty cool. We were talking about this in our group chat here. Breaking out of this, continuing out. So I'm just checking here. This looks good though. This is fine. I mean, I look pale. I mean, I could grow a little bit. I got a lot of room above my head here. I need to grow. I put on a show. I'm not a grower. So this is okay. All right. As long as this is smooth. Bitcoin coming back in for a retest right now. So looking at this, how would I trade this? Let's take a look here. So coming back, breaking out of the high here. So this has been mitigated. So this is good, right? This is good. We have clear structure to the downside, right? Clear structure to the downside. And now we have made a higher high, right? So what is next is anybody's guess. Okay. What's going on here? I didn't press that. What is next is anyone's guess, right? So retest of previous highs would be ideal. Be looking for that in continuation. I guess I should bring myself back up here. Retest continuation. We have put in like an upper range in here. So, that 90,000 seems to be sticky as well. So if we do come back into 90,000, you got kind of two ranges going on here now. So you got a range in here and a range up here. So what I would do is I would isolate range within this area here. And then within this area within here. And see what confluence you can get. So yeah, getting up above here, obviously anything above here is price discovery. So there's not going to be much volume. Your target for this move is clearly going to be to mitigate the all-time high, which is right up here. Okay. This is looking strong. Volume coming in, up only. Okay, you can definitely track this trend line. Look for a retrace back into here. If this is broken, though, look for us to return to the point of control. Very simply, okay? Very simple. Interesting. Let's update our charts just for you guys. Just because we're here, we might as well do it. Okay, we had a sell wall in here. Sweeping the high, coming down, looking for the rejection. Golden pocket, never hit it. Okay, coming up here, we got liquidity and order blocks within this area. This has to be extended up. And let's check out this candle within here. Don't like it. Go to a 5-minute. See if we can get a 5-minute order block within this. No, that's good. I like that low. Okay. Yeah, we'll keep it like that. Let's get rid of this regression trend. What's going on? Rocco's in the chat. My man, what's going on, brother? Good to see you today. Thanks for having me on the show, you guys. No delay in the speaking and everything. This is extra crispy. I'm testing a new camera. We have an old ZV-1 camera, but I figured I might as well use it for streaming, but I had to get... Okay, look at this. Little sweep of the lows here coming down. Liquidity grab just now as we were speaking. So a little sweep of the lows. That was the long signal. We could be getting long right here. Yeah, that was it. Look at that sweep. My God. 0.5% sweep right now. Volume coming in. Yeah, there it is. Look at the pushback. Look at this pushback. So it just swept everybody getting long in here quickly. That's aggressive, man. That's really aggressive. So marking this out, let's mark out some key areas. Let's go from swing low to swing high. Okay, golden pocket there. Let's see where our volume levels match up with these as well. So yeah, golden pocket, sweep at these lows. So I wouldn't be going so favorably to that golden pocket. I'd just be looking here. Okay, 382 looks nice. So that would be, the 382 looks a lot nicer. Why does the 382 look nicer? Because it is retesting the previous highs. So you can draw something like this. Okay, 382. Because you're retesting these highs. Okay, you see these highs over here? That's important. That's important to come visit if we do come down from here. Right, this has been up only, and they just swept. Let's see if it does continue. Okay, so 382 is more important in my opinion. If you are coming back within the range, just looking at this, so yeah, your major block of volume really starts down here, right? We could raise this up just a little bit, just a tad right there. I would say that would be more ideal. Somewhere in here. That's how I would play it. Nice sweep right now. You got continuation up. So I'm looking in a couple spots here for a potential retrace. If not, you're getting on the trend and you're using good risk management. That's kind of how I would trade it. Very aggressive sweep here. You got volume pushing up, pushing up, pushing up. Good volume going into Friday. Who's going to watch Mike Tyson tonight? You guys watching? You guys going to watch the fight? Anybody have plans for that? Who do you guys got? You guys got, man, I think everybody just wants to see Tyson just beat the living otter out of him. Like an otter fodder, you know? An otter fodder. Beat the living otter out of him. But I think, man, you can't knock the legend, man. Tyson has given us such quality. I mean, go and watch some like Tyson highlights, man. The guy's in his prime. Whew, he hit you with a kidney shot and drop you. It's pretty awesome, man. The guy was an absolute beast, and he went out like really honorably too. Like, okay, so we can yeah. We set our alarm down here. We also have an alarm down here, right, for that liquidity sweep coming into 85,000 if we do drop. Right, there's always that option to drop, but that's something I'm gonna keep in mind. And then, yeah, 382 is ideally where I would look for a bounce right now. Let's see what other. Okay, we got the mitigation of that low. We don't need that one in there. Where's this one? That's the alarm. Okay. I don't even see this one. That's our highs. We know the highs are there, all-time highs. Which one's this one? Okay, that's the alarm. That's the uptrend. Got some rectangles. So let's add these to the areas. Just kind of keeping it all organized, right? You got to keep it organized. Up only, nice little push here. So is there any altcoins you guys want me to look at before I go? This is looking a lot better. I think this is quality, mate. This is absolute quality. Quality. We've nailed it. We've got a new camera, mate. Tyson. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. AVAX, XRP. AVAX, XRP. Render. Okay. Get them in while you can. Get them in while you can. I'm not going to do all of them. A couple more. Degen. Okay, Degen. And okay, that's enough for me. And Solana. We'll do Solana first, just for you, Toaster. Okay? I've pinned the comment going over this. So yeah, Bitcoin, you have the levels here. They are. I'm going to share that with the Discord anyways. But yeah, looking for this to continue up, man. This is going to be good because the higher it goes over the weekend, the more FOMO from Wall Street on Monday. Let's remember that. The higher it goes on the weekend, the more FOMO from if this thing gets up to like 93, 94 on the weekend, this thing's going to 100K on Monday. That's my call. Okay? If this thing gets, if Sunday candle, if we're up here on Sunday morning, we're going to 100K. Okay, look what happened last time. We pumped. Let's go to the 1 hour. This was Sunday. This was the weekend, okay? So we got, this is Saturday, Sunday, right here. Big CME gap. Remember big CME gap? I know it was only Monday, guys. It was only Monday. Big CME gap. Never came to fill the CME gap. And what happened? Price shot up another 9%. If we shoot up, let's say up here, 9%. 9% gets us to $102,000, friends and family. Okay? Just saying. Just saying. I would like to see it sweep down to 85, but I mean, it's the bull run, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, so AVAX breaking out. I think AVAX was on that list. We've been looking at AVAX for quite some time. Holding $31. Key hold here. So yeah, as it works its way up here, you're definitely looking for price to get up and start trading around $35. You can see that very much being a level of resistance if it's going to continue, and then you're looking for the highs at 37, okay? If you're looking to get into AVAX, you're definitely going to be, I would be looking for a retest of previous highs. So getting rid of this, understanding that you're in this nice uptrend here, okay? You're not going to mark it out like this. I would more rather just try to identify a key level of support here. So let's pull volume, and we can see here we got a nice level and shelf of volume in here, and then obviously your point of control here. So you have two fallback points that I'd be looking for AVAX if you're going to continue. That would be 32.64 and back down to 30. Let's call it $32 to be fair. So you're either looking for this or this, right? Very simply. And continuation, and that's how I would treat AVAX, okay? Avalanche. I think it's overdue for a pump. AVAX does look quite strong. Currently trade it. Floki, please. Currently trade on it. Awesome, man. I'm glad you're in Floki. We have our list already. Let's go over to Solana. Solana, absolute ripper to the upside. I actually sold off a lot of my Solana this morning right around here, but that was for tax purposes. We are now pumping back up to the highs. Congratulations on the pump. And you know what? This was more for tax purposes. So if we do pump up right now, that's fine. That's okay. We have to take profits. No one goes broke taking profits. We took about $15,000 profit on Solana. So let's go, baby. Let's go. And we bought Solana, you know, it was a 2X. We bought about 10 grand worth of Solana. Somewhere down, I believe it was like 170 or something. No, it was lower than that. It was lower than that. Yeah. So good gain on Solana. I mean, no one goes broke taking profits. A nice, beautiful little 15K on Solana. Looking like it wants to pop off here. Very clear on Solana that, hey, look at this thing, right? Ready to go. Inverse head and shoulders kind of vibes. But right now it's holding this trend line. Looking to push up, continuing to play, right? This 4% quite nice and juicy here. Looking to continue onwards and upwards on Solana. I would look for a retest back into this trend line here. As you can see, even when you pushed up into this area before, you came back and you retested these lows quite some time. So 216 is kind of where I would look to try and jump on, you know, the possible gravy train of Solana here. So just put a little bit of a trend of a little bit of a level down below here, and I'd be looking anywhere from here upwards. 215. Okay, cooling off, bouncing, continuing. Right. That's kind of where we're at right now with this push up on Bitcoin. It's really, you know, going all over the crypto world. We're gonna see a rotation, so keep your eyes peeled on dominance too. Right, dominance is starting to roll over, and you're starting to see the altcoins get mighty green. Okay, so keep an eye on the prize. Looking at XRP, double top right now. A little bit of warning, that $1. We talked about this on Sin City Crypto. Okay, so we do have some levels here on XRP. I don't know if we just turned them all off. Maybe that was the case. Yeah. So if we do come back down, 82 cents, is kind of my level. This thing is up only, right? This is the XRP army. They're absolutely pumping the living crap out of this. So you're looking at the previous high for some sort of double top in here and a retracement back down before continuing to really take on that psychological $1 level. If you flip 91 is another level we marked out. If you flip 91.50, right, as support, you look to continue from there, right? You keep laddering up on XRP. So careful of these bearish divergence. Definitely looking to bring you back down and come back to about 82 cents. That's how I would treat it. XRP, I mean, stablecoin until it wasn't. I mean, we were looking at a long on XRP all the way back at all the way back at 58 cents. Just like when we were looking at Pepe, right? So if you zoom out on XRP on the daily, you can see that we have clearly, taken off. But that $1 level, right? Even when they won the court case over here, was definitely a key level of resistance. Okay, so you're coming up to that resistance now, and we'll see how well the price behaves as you get there, right? But it's absolutely parabolic right now. Onwards and upwards for XRP. Congratulations to all of you, people who are holding your XRP for whatever 4 years, whatever the hell it was. I mean, I guess it pays to be patient. I don't know, man. I don't know what to say. Let's go and take a look at something else. What else did you guys have on here for me? You guys had Render. Render, I do have a big old bag of Render. Let's see what we got here. Okay, great. So Render has broken out of these highs, which is good. A lot of bottoming structure, right? So now to see the AI coins actually start to take off, you can see this accumulation. Now looking for continuation. Okay, so holding these highs right now in sort of this is definitely a flag, right? So for me right now, you're looking for a couple of retests for a possibility to get in. You can see it's in that downtrend that we talked about from before. So looking at Render, very chock-a-block, very choppy in here. So for me, it's keeping it simple, looking at this support level in here and this resistance level in here. So if you're going to come back down and retest anywhere, it's going to be somewhere around $6.80 where you look for continuation. If you do start to get above this value area high, which is right around $7.20, well, then you're looking to come back up to, the big old. See, this is the barrier to entry, right? This is like $2,800 on Ethereum. How we couldn't get above it. This is the same for Render. So you're looking at $7.15 to the barrier to enter this area. So you want to get up into this range. Right now, you're knocking on the door, right? You're knocking on the door, trying to flip it to support, getting up into, this, I would say, this is the bear zone. You want to get up into this bull zone where, you can really start to get moving once you get up into this area. But there's going to be some resistance along the way. So look for a retrace, possibly back down to $6.80 and the continuation past that key level that we're talking about right now, right around $7.15. Okay, you're right there, but it's going to act as resistance as it clearly has without this whole time. So be very cautious with Render right now, a little bit very much on the brink of banging its head on resistance. BXN, is that really what you guys requested? You guys trading BXN or are you guys holding BXN? BNX, sorry. BNX. Okay, looking at BNX. Got a Bybit chart, same thing. Okay, so BNX here. Garbage, right? Absolute garbage. So yeah, BingX, like for something like this, this is either you believe in the project, you think it's going to work, or you're an absolute superstar degen and you're looking for this thing. I mean, there's better things that will do a 200% back up to their highs. That's my opinion. But right now, go buy some Sui or something. And here. Okay, that's your levels. This is your escape level. Okay, so just level to level, simple trading, right? Absolute Scheisenhausen coin. You'll come back after the bull market and be like, I told you it went to $5 or whatever the heck you want. That's cool. As a trader, I wouldn't touch this with a 10-foot pole and mark pushing. Mark Dutch, that is. So yeah, a spring out right here. So you're looking to really get above 61 cents. Okay, you want to see the proof in the pudding, which is probably a nice move. 12% move, yeah. So this thing looks like a complete garbaggio. Okay, complete garbaggio. You don't want to trade this too much, right? Looking for a breakout retest here. As you can see, you're getting a little bit of a breakout here. So you could be looking, you know, if you're a believer, whatever they call them, you're looking for this right here. Very simple, okay? 2-to-1 trade, trying to get yourself out of the gutter, okay? Oh man. I still got like a little bit of a green glow on this camera, so I think I can adjust that a little bit. Okay? Please don't tell Mark. Let's go look at DGen. DGen USDT. I think OC was trading this thing. So for thing is absolutely shocking too. The way I would look at this is how I would look at it. Blow off top. People are clearly taking profits up here. Head and shoulders pattern. I would look for a revisit back down to do this 2 cent area, 220. Right here. Yeah. Right around here. Not looking too pretty, right? You got a trigger wave in here. Might push up. Money's green. Yeah. I don't know. OC was looking at this in Piper Academy. Not something I would trade. We'll see if it comes back. That's pretty much how I would trade it. Not looking to get into any kind of shitcoin like that. I mean, I am trading Shiba right now, and that's going all right. We also are trading Peanut. Is that popping off yet? Oh yeah, let's go Peanut. Let's go Peanut. Push it, baby. Peanut to $5. That's my call. Okay, Peanut to $5. So 1618 extension level. Okay, $4.90. Peanut. That's my call. Okay, do it for the squirrel, guys. It's nuts. It's nuts, man. Almost a 2x from here. We can get it. We can get it. Hey, man, we called Pepe. We called Pepe all the way down here. Look at this. My God. Since that, 1.5x, okay? Bitcoin pushing again. I told you to buy this candle, didn't I, at the beginning of the stream? I told you to buy this candle. I was like, this is where you're long. 1% move. Gift wrap, baby. Gift wrap. Gift wrap. Anything else? Okay. No more degen shit. What are you actually trading, guys? Coty? Coty. You're actually trading this, bro. Like how? Okay. If you got long here, then congrats, but okay. Okay, so you're coming up to a top of a range with Coty. Okay, take it level to level. You're coming into resistance right now with Coty. Okay, resistance up in here. So what are you looking for? If anything, you're looking for a rejection and a retrace back into your highs. Okay, keeping it very simple. Right? Keep it simple, stupid, as they say. Yeah, that would be a 382 bounce if you get up to here. So if you get up to here, right? Fib from low to high, 382 bounce. So you come up here, 382, off to the races you go. A nice exit from this lower low. So you're looking somewhere around there, my friend. You got resistance coming at you right here. And then you got your bounce zone, in my opinion, right there. So that's how I would treat it. Psychological dollar is just above you too, okay? Or 10 cents, sorry. 10 cents, but right above you. So you're looking to come up to here, smack your head on the ceiling, come back down, maybe for a bounce and continuation on your cootie or Coty or whatever coin you call it, whatever you're into. Okay? Let's go old school. Algorand up 20%. Isn't Algorand new school? 20%? Yeah, it's pumping, man. You guys are giving me coins that are already pumping. So it's like Blow off top, coming back down. Look to get in at previous highs. That's it. Keeping it simple, right? We want to look for things in here, right? And things in here looking like they're accumulating, ready to pop off, right? You're not going to be able to catch. Let's look for some shit coins. What's down? Caspa's down right now. Okay, pushed. Oh my God, I never want to trade that thing. Okay, SEI looking to break out. Retrace back to 45 cents. Jupiter might be one on the radar here. Inverse head and shoulders. Okay, inverse head and shoulders here on Jupiter. Measured move all the way back up to $1.20. Okay, Jupiter might be something you're interested in. BNB. Oh man, what's on? BNB looks juicy. Look at BNB. This is still down, so look for it to catch up, right? BNB breakout retest. Okay, there's a trade for you. Breakout retest. Manage your risk. Breakout retest on BNB. Okay, let's look at what other shit coins are down. Near looks strong. Rune breakout retest. Same thing. Continuation. Okay, let's look at Ondo. Ondo looked like it was a little bit, inverse head and shoulders on Ondo. Coming up to 93 cents. There's a good trade for you. This is all depending if you manage your risk, right? What about Cock Inu? Here's Pollo's coin. Cock Inu. Cluck cluck, motherfuckers. Mad love. I came on here to check out my camera. It seems to be working really good, doesn't it? Now you get to see all my boogers and my eye crusties in the morning. Floki, we'll do Floki for you, man. Okay, Floki. Up. Floki up. Okay, Floki up. That's the TA. Up. I don't know what to say on. Retest to previous highs. You're looking to come into here, man. Otherwise, you're flying, right? Right. Keep it simple. Yeah, you're looking within here very carefully. You know, if you're trading a meme coin, you should be using a lot of wiggle room with your stop losses. Look, I took a Shiba trade with the group today, with the trading group. Look at this thing. Lots of wiggle room, lots of time. Okay, look at this thing. Flying, man. We're up. Look at this. I'm in on Shiba. Look at how much room we have. We got lots of room here. Okay? You're going to get the gains. If you are new here, come over and hang out in the Discord. We go live Monday to Friday, 8:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. All the goods are in the Discord, okay? All the goods are in the Discord. Here, let me upload the chart for these guys. Is that the new one? So they have it. It's the weekend, baby. Mike Tyson. Mike Tyson's where it's at, man. I entered Floki at 249. Congratulations, 249. All right. Good job, man. Good. That's good. 249. Okay, so you're up a bit. You're at risk though. You're at risk, okay? Nice little 5% move. Good job. Don't forget to pay yourself, man. Everything's popping off. Popcat's popping off. Brett's popping off, okay? Peanut. Peanut's next, man. Let's go, Peanut. Come on, we're long on Peanut. BitTensor. We had a nice call here. BitTensor has hit target. Okay, look at that. BitTensor hitting the targets. Nice trade in our Discord as well. I got stopped out of that trade. Render pushing up. All you hex people, there you go. Here's some hex. Nah, be cautious. It's the weekend, guys. Look for rotation. Let's see Bitcoin dominance drop it like it's hot. That would be ideal. Okay, let's see it. You know, this was nice. Let's see it drop again over the weekend. And see if Bitcoin can, you know, start really challenging 94,000. That would be ideal, okay? I came on here to test the picture quality. The quality is bene, tutto bene. We keep upgrading. Come and join us. Come and hang out. Gang, 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 gang. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Thank you guys for being part of the new setup stream, whatever. Got the camera rolling. Everything is good. So thank you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. God bless you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. That was a bad outro. Peace.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base.